everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I've got a bead box bargains order here that I'm going to share with you today. I had not intended to do a video on it because I thought it was a really small order, but then when I got it, I discovered I ordered just a bit more than I thought I did, which happens to me quite frequently. Bead Box Bargains is the sister store to the Bargain Bead Box, and if you're subscribed to the Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in Bead Box Bargains. And they already have great prices, so you know it's hard to resist with that 30% off coupon. These are mostly 6mm fire polish beads. I discovered when I made that tubular netted bracelet that I was woefully short of 6mm beads, especially fire polish beads, and I really love fire polish beads. So that's what I went over there intending to buy, and then of course I couldn't just buy that. I never go over there and buy just what I intend to buy. So I've got a few other things in here. There's a few findings and things, but I'll get everything sorted out here and I'll be back. Okay, I think I've got everything sorted out here. My order came to let's see, I've got to do a little bit of adding here. Before the coupon, it would have been $46.17, and the 30% off coupon gave me $13.54 off, so it came to $32.63, and then the shipping was $3.75. These are approximately 10.5-inch strand of 6mm crystal faceted bicone beads in green AB. And I got 2 strands of them. They were 99 cents a strand, and that was before the 30% off coupon. I've got a lot of 4mm bicones, but I don't have a lot of 6mm. So I just decided to grab these while I was over there, intending to only buy 6mm fire polish beads, and then I ended up getting other things. But these are a really pretty green color. I really like these. I've got 6mm check fire polished glass faceted round beads in jet blue iris. I got 3 packages of them, so there's 60 in this little tray, but it was 99 cents for the 20 pieces, and that was before the discount. I really love these colors. They're really pretty. I'm pretty sure I've already got some of these. I probably got a 20 pack while I was over there one time before, so now I'll have 80. So I'll have plenty of them. Although you can never have too many fire polish beads, no matter what my husband says. Let's see, now I've got, it's 20 pieces, 6mm check fire polish glass faceted round beads, alabaster gray travertine, and I got 3 packages of them too. And I know I've already got some of these, probably a 20 pack, so I'll have 80 pieces of these too. But for the 20 pieces, it was $1.59 before the discount. I really love that finish on those. Those are really pretty. And then I've got 20 pieces, 6mm check fire polished glass faceted round beads in lavender silk. And I got 3 packages of them too, so there's 60 in here. They were $1.39 for the 20 pieces before the coupon. I really like that finish. I've never seen that before. It's like they've got little stripes down the center of them. They're really pretty. And then I've got 20-piece 6mm check fire polished glass faceted round beads in lime nebula. And I got 3 packages of them, so there's 60 in there. And it was $1.99 for the 20 pieces, and that was before the discount. And those are really pretty. I like the finish on those too. I just love the finishes on all the fire polish beads. Okay, now I've got 20 pieces, 6mm check fire polish glass faceted round beads in lept jet, L-E-P-T period jet. I don't know what that means. I got 3 packages of them, so there's 60 in here. It was $1.39 for the 20 pieces before the discount. These are really pretty. They've got like a textured finish to them, which is probably what the lept means, and I don't know what it means, but I really like them. They're really cool. And then I've got 20 pieces, 6mm check fire polished faceted round glass beads in alabaster red luster. And these are, I got 3 packages, so there's 60 in here, and it was $1.49 for the 20 pieces before the discount. Those are really pretty. They've got a, I don't know, they're kind of pink coral looking, I guess. They're really, really pretty. And then I've got 20 pieces, 6mm check fire polished glass faceted round beads in Aqua Lala Vega luster. I got 3 packages, so there's 60 in here. And it was $1.39 for the 20 pieces, and that was before the discount. Those are really pretty. Of course, I'm never going to see a fire polish bead that I don't think is really pretty because I really like fire polish beads. And now I've got 25-piece strand, 6mm check fire polished glass faceted round beads in light teal Picasso. And I got three strands of these. These are really, really pretty. I love that finish. I know I keep saying that, but I love all the finishes. They're just so pretty. And now I'm going to get into the findings here. I got 20 pieces of 15mm nickel-free brass French hook ear wires in gunmetal. I don't have a whole lot of findings in gunmetal, and I really like these kind that where it's flattened there on the side. I really like those. I don't have many of those. I don't know if I have any actually that are like that. I know I don't have any gunmetal because I don't have very many gunmetal findings. Those were $1.09 before the discount, and there's 20 of them. And then I've got a 10-gram bag of 40mm 21 gauge steel eye pins in gunmetal, because y'all know how I go through the eye pins. And then I've got see, 3 sets 18mm square with round cutout toggle clasps antique silver, and I got 2 packages of them, so there's 6 sets in here. They were $1.09 before the discount for the 3. I like these. These are the ones we got in the, I think in the January bargain bead box, and I really liked them, so I wanted to get some more of them. And then I've got 3 sets of 23 by 16mm surgical steel toggle clasps. I thought those were pretty, and they're surgical steel, and they're a nice size. They were, I don't remember if I said, they were 99 cents before the discount. And then the last thing I've got here is 10 pieces of 6 by 12mm lobster claw clasps silver, and I got 2 packages of them, so there's 20 in here, and they were 99 cents before the discount. I have a lot of lobster clasps. I don't have a lot of these little bitty ones. I have a lot of the bigger ones, but I don't have a lot of the smaller ones, so I got those. And then they always send a free gift. And it looks like I got some little key charms. I have got some, the last bead box bargains haul I did, I showed you a mixture of key charms that I had got. And these are some like those. There's 3 bronze ones and 1 bigger silver one and 1 small silver one. Those will be neat to maybe hang off of a lariat or something. I'm always thinking lariats. I really enjoy making lariats. So that's everything. That's all my stuff I got. Hold on, let me see if I can get it all together in one picture. Okay, there it all is in one picture, I think. I think they have really good prices. Like I've said before, I've been buying beads and bindings for a really long time, and so I know how much they generally cost. And Bead Box Bargains has really good prices. And then of course if you have that 30% off coupon, that's really great. As usual, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos, liked and commented on my videos. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care.